In this video, I'm about to show you how to apply for British Columbia PNP. Check if you meet the criteria for either the Skills Immigration or Entrepreneur Immigration streams. You can find the detailed eligibility requirements on the Welcome BC website. Then, register and create a profile on the BC PNP online system. This will allow you to submit your application and track its status. Now, complete and submit your application through the BC PNP online system. Make sure to include all required documents and informations. If your profile is selected, you will receive an ETA. You will then have a limited time to submit a full application for nomination. If your application is successful, you will receive a nomination from the province of British Columbia. Once nominated, you can apply to Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada or IRCC for permanent resident. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.